Hello everyone. In this lecture, we will be seeing the first properties of function. So property 1, we are going to see about the composition of functions is associative. So we already know that for proving associative property, at least we need 3 elements. So here, since we are talking about functions, so we need 3 functions. So let f from a to b and g from b to c and h from c to d be the required functions. And also we know that if f is a function from a to b and g is a function from b to c, it is possible to define the map G composition F from A to C. Note that the domain of first one and codomain of second one, that is domain of first map and codomain of second map should be equal to define this composition. And also remember that we will be putting the second function at first one and first function in second place to define the composition. So similarly here it is possible to define the map in this manner, that is H composition G composition F. And since we are going to prove associative property, we are going to first operate G composition F and then we are going to take composition with H. Next one, we are going to take H composition G and then we are going to take composition with F. So we are going to show that these two functions will be equal. So clearly this map H composition G composition F, it is a map from A to D. See that F starts from A and H ends at D. So H composition G composition F will be a map from A to D. So we are going to take one element X in A and then we are going to compute the left hand side. Left hand side it is nothing but H composition G composition F. We are going to find the same for the element X. And observe one more thing, if we put G composition F of X, so we are going to first apply F for the element X and then we have to apply G for F of X. So similarly here we are going to do H of G composition F of X. So this part we have to do. This is equal to H of, we can write it as G of F of X. So next one we have to compute the right hand side. Right hand side is nothing but H composition G composition F. We are going to operate the same for the element X. This is equal to, remember already I have told you, if it is F composition G of X, we have to write it as G of F of X. So here in the place of G, that is first one we are having H composition G, in the place of F it is F. So we are having H composition G of F of X. Next one we have to find this H composition G. So it can be written as H of G of F of X. So now observe that the last quantity for both left hand side and right hand side is same. So we can write both the expressions as equal, that is H composition G composition F of X is equal to H composition G composition F of X. So Also we know that if we want to say two functions f1 and f2 are equal, the condition is f1 of x should be equal to f2 of x. That is, all the images should be same. The same condition we have showed here. If we take any x, for that x the images will be same under these two maps. So ultimately these two maps should be equal. So this is the proof for composition of functions to be associated.